Hey parent and guardian friends, my name is Robin Miller and I am either your child's A-level psychology teacher, AS-level psychology teacher, or general psychology teacher. So my first period is A-level, my second and fifth period are my AS-level students, and then my fourth, sixth, and seventh are my general psych. So anyways, a little bit about myself. This is my 10th year at Gallie High School. Before this, I was at Delora Middle School. And I'm also an adjunct professor at EFSC. And I also have a private practice. I'm a licensed mental health counselor. So I kind of have some side gigs going on in addition to my full-time teaching. But anyways, I am really excited about this year because I'm glad we're back in the classroom, even though things are still not normal, as we can see by this interaction that we're doing open house online. It's unfortunate because I really wanted to get to meet some of you, but this is kind of the climate we're in right now, so this is just the way it is for now. But maybe when we get to parent-teacher conference night, maybe then everything will calm down a little bit and we can meet. So I guess I'm just going to go over really quick my 3 classes and kind of my expectations. But this year and every year, my students are amazing. I love them. But there really are no big rules I need to go over. Just respect. All the students respect me, I respect them, and we are in for a fantastic year no matter what the subject is. For A-level, those candidates that are in my A-level class means that they were in my AS-level class last year. So that's a great thing. It is a little bit different than AS-level. They're going to go over a lot more studies, but a lot less depth. And just you ask your child what they're doing in the classroom and they can show you. I could go over all of my classes, but then this video would take a really long time. So rather than just going over each individual class, I will just say that you can go onto my webpage, and I do have my welcome back PowerPoint, and it goes over all 3 classes, what we do, what they can expect in the classroom, and so on. Also in the welcome back video, if you go towards the end, I did ask the students for your contact information, and if they gave it to me on the first week of school, then they were able to earn psychology bucks. So go ahead and ask your kid about my Psycho bucks. You will find that on my webpage, if you go under resources, that is where Google Classroom is, Remind, and any other websites or anything that I might use. I will put it on Focus and I will put it on Google Classroom. I have set the link up, so it should have given an invite to all parents, but if not, that was the homework that your child was supposed to do, and it was supposed to be given back on the first Friday of that week, and it wasn't a grade, but it was for extra credit. So if your kid had you do the homework, then you can see what my Psycho bucks look like. But anyways, this year, I'm just hoping it's going to be a fantastic year in spite of everything going on. My goal is that your kid learns a lot about psychology, whether it's the deep ACE Cambridge psychological studies or whether it's the general psychology where they're learning about themselves, who they are, who they came to be, who they are, parental influences, outside influences. My Gen Psych class is not a difficult class whatsoever. And like I said, you can go on Focus or Google Classroom and see the kind of things that we're doing in there, because all 3 classes are going to be doing 3 different things. So you can just go on your kids' page my page, and you can see what we're doing in there. But I will be sending out reminders and emails of different things that we're going to be doing throughout the year. So again, not much really I could say because I'm just talking to myself on a camera, but I do look forward to meeting at least some of you, I hope, in the future, whether it's at a football game or a parent-teacher conference, or we run into each other at a restaurant. Who knows? Happens all the time. But I guess with that said, I'm done. Just to, I already did what I do here. My background is psychology, obviously. I got my bachelor's in psychology, fell in love with it, started teaching, realized I wanted to do more. So like I had said before, I'm in private practice. I do counseling, mainly anxiety and depression. And now I'm continuing with my doctoral work, hoping to teach full-time at university one day. But anyways, my daughter works here, so maybe one of your kids has me and my daughter, Miss Goodman. She teaches world history, which your kid wouldn't be in that, but she also teaches economics. So she's here. She's actually an Gallie grad. She went off to get her degree in event management, but due to COVID, that kind of derailed her plans. So she started teaching with dear old mom. And then I have a 13 and 14-year-old. My 13-year-old Cole goes to Delora Middle School, and he'll be coming here after. And then my daughter is now a freshman here. So, and she's loving it. But anyways, enough about me. If you guys need anything, feel free to reach out anytime, weekends, it doesn't matter. Your child should have a remind code that allows them to message me at any time. So you guys take care, be well. I hope you're safe out there, and I look forward to meeting you guys. All right, peace.